Hello ladies, I'm going to go through a few things with this Maja Design Traditional Christmas. I love the cute little gnomes. Anyway, so I'm making this a fairly simple card collection. There's 8 cards and they're mini slim cards. So they're going to be about this size, 6 by 3 when folded. Europeans like to use smaller cards. I guess it saves on postage. But especially at Christmas time when you're sending a lot out, it's more popular. Also, they can be used as a gift tag. So when you open up the card, you can use it as a gift tag on a medium to large parcel or a present. So I'm going to go through the papers. These are all kind of cut very much the same. So there is 3 different mat sizes, and then there is the focus piece, which would be either one of these or one of these gift tags. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go through this. So for these ones, when you cut them out, you're going to cut them, these 2 at the bottom here, you're going to cut them out without the colored frames. So you're just going to cut along the lines here to get those images out. And with these, you can leave a tiny bit of that craft color out when you cut them out, though some of them you'll have to, these 2 have a wider edge, so you have to trim that off, and a little bit around the tops here. Let's see if I have one I can show you. Oh, this one has hardly any on the sides, but there's a little bit at the top and the corners and the bottom. This side has more. This one has hardly any. Some of them are really stuck together very closely, so it makes it harder to cut them out. But so that's what you'll do for this piece. Okay, and I cut everything out before I assemble the cards. As you can see, I have them here all ready to go. So on this one here, you will get the measurements on what to cut this one for, because we are using it on this card here. Aren't they cute? And then we have one at the very end where we run out of images to use, and it's just going to be a plain card with Merry Christmas and a bow and that. And so it's got one extra layer on it, but you'll understand that once you get to cutting your pieces out. So what I plan to do is with the instructions, telling you how to cut this sheet, okay? And then these ones here, you can use whatever size you want. Just because I have a card made that uses one side doesn't mean that if you like the other side better, you can't use that. So out of each of these pieces, we're going to get at least 2 pieces for our cards. Okay, so we will use one side and another, one side and another, one side or another. Let's see, one side or another. So you'll get 2 pieces out of each of these. And so you can decide what side you want to use when you're putting your cards together, because they're all very nice papers. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't mind these in 12 by 12. It would make great Christmas projects, especially making a Advent, those oh, I can't remember the company now. that we used to get those Advent boxes from. If you had a 6x6 and a 12x12, you could make a really, really nice Christmas Advent with these cute little gnomes everywhere. Anyway, so that is just the introduction about what you're going to be doing. The instructions will show the two different sizes that you'll be cutting. There'll be 2 3/4 by 5 3/4, or there will be 2 1/2 by 5 1/2, and a few of them will have 2 1/4 and 5 1/4. So you just take the whole pad and you just cut the pieces and go from there, like I'm about to do. Okay, so I'm just going to make a list of things that I'm going to be using with it. Probably some cheesecloth, some twine, probably some ribbon, I'll see if I can find some Christmassy things as well. I was wanting to use these anise stars, but I don't have 36 of them, so I might have to go get more. But can you imagine putting an anise star as an embellishment on the card? What a beautiful smell it will be. Or a cinnamon stick or something like that. Anyway, so once I get all those embellishments thought out and put together, I will let you know, and we will assemble the cards. See you later.